Using strategies from previous videos, I boosted my deposit and now my balance is $3,359. Today I'll once again be using the Heiken Ashi chart type and a 15-second time frame for executing trades. I'll try to increase my deposit using two indicators that, when combined, signal a change in trend and entry points for tradies. Just follow along with me, hit the like button and let's get started. You're on Max Pro Trading channel. And before we start, I want to remind you that in my Telegram channel every day in the general group, both in the morning and evening, I share signals for opening trades. You can simply copy them and also earn a bit. And for those who are seriously committed and want to develop in trading starting today, I have a closed VIP group where throughout the day we work with signals from trading bots, utilize signals from artificial intelligence, and of course I conduct trading sessions every day in real time. In general, there are from 50 to 120 signals for opening trades every day. The statistics show an 85% daily profit. If you want to join my group, scan the QR code you see on the screen or follow the link in the description of this video. Let's start earning together. I'm waiting for you on Telegram and let's get started. Alright, let's get started. First, open the platform. Choose the Heiken Ashi chart type and a 15-second time frame for executing trades. This means each candlestick lasts for 15 seconds. Then set the trade execution time to 1 minute. In the indicators section, add the shaft trend cycle and ADX indicators. These indicators complement each other, providing a comprehensive picture of the market. Shaft trend cycle indicates a strong trend in a specific direction, and ADX confirms the strength of the trend, creating points for opening trades. But first, you need to configure them. Now, carefully adjust the settings. Set the values to 19, 45, 6, 4, 4. In the style section, set the main line to white and the line width to 2 pixels. Then change the upper line value to 78 and the lower line value to 23 and save. Now configure the ADX indicator. Set the first value to 11 and the second value to 20. In the style section, set the main line to white and the line width to 2 pixels. Specify the positive line as green and the negative line as red and save. Everything is ready. The indicators are configured and now I'll show you in practice how to work with these indicators in combination and what moments to pay attention to. I identify the relevant situation and with the new candle, I open a forecast for a decrease with an amount of $150 for 1 minute. Now let me explain why I opened the trade here. The first thing to remember when using the Heiken Ashi chart type, and this strategy is always to follow the overall trend. Next, in the shaft trend cycle indicator, you need to wait for the moment when the white line crosses one of the danger zone lines, according to the overall trend. To strengthen the entry point, the white line in the ADX indicator should cross or be positioned above the green and red lines. In my case, at the moment of opening the trade, the white line was below the green and red lines, crossing them. Thus we identified a descending trend, waited for the white line in the shaft trend cycle indicator to cross the danger zone line, and ensured that the white line in the ADX indicator crosses the green and red lines. We open a trade in the direction of the overall trend and the lines in the indicator. The price continues to fall, my trade closes, and I earn $127 in 1 minute on the Austrian-Canadian dollar currency pair. This strategy also works well with over-the-counter OTC currency pairs. And if you haven't registered yet, follow the link in the description. Sign up, open the platform, just follow along with me and start earning. But before depositing, don't forget to enter my unique promo code, which will give you a 50% bonus on the deposited amount. For example, if you deposit $100, enter the promo code and you'll receive $150 in real dollars to your account. It's a small detail, but it will be especially pleasant for those who are just starting their journey into the world of trading. Now let's continue. I find the necessary currency pair, increase the amount, and open a downward trade for 1 minute with a sum of $250. In the shaft trend cycle indicator, the white line has just crossed the danger zone, and in the ADX indicator, the white line in the same direction has crossed the other lines, indicating that I'm working with a downtrend. Also on the 1 minute time frame, a clear overall downtrend is visible. However, I opened the trade a bit earlier than necessary. The trade should be opened when the white line crosses the danger zone on the 1 minute time frame. This is an important rule. Here, I increase the trade amount in case I need to work with a follow-up. I switch to the 15-second time frame and see that the price has sharply changed its direction. This happens and it's normal, so I wait for a new candle and open an additional trade in the same direction. The previous trade did not bring profit. In such situations, it is important to know how to work with follow-ups. A detailed video on follow-ups is already available on my channel. Here the price experienced a slight correction and then continues to fall. The price continues to fall, my trade closes, and I earn a bit covering the previous loss. And you write in the comments how much I managed to earn net from this trade. The most attentive ones will receive a small bonus from me. And all you need to remember is, before opening a trade, look at the 1 minute time frame and make sure that the lines in the indicators are moving in the direction of the overall trend. Let's continue. I identify the relevant situation and open an upward trade with an amount of $250 for 1 minute. The situation here is as follows. A couple of candles back, the price changed and started to rise. In the ADX indicator, it can be seen that the white line struggled to cross the other lines for a while, and only now has it crossed them. Simultaneously, in the shaft trend cycle indicator, the white line crossed the danger zone line and is also moving upward. Let's just watch and see what happens. The price is not actively but confidently continuing to rise. My trade closes and I earn another $230 in just 1 minute. I want to remind you that the higher the payout percentage for a currency pair, the naturally larger the overall payout and your earnings. However, on such currency pairs, you need to carefully choose the entry point for trades and double check the trend direction on higher time frames. To see how I managed to earn $3,800 in a certain period, watch these videos in sequence. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to not miss new videos that will help you make money. I'll remind you that in the next video, I'll be giving away $50 and all you need to do is leave any comment under this video and be subscribed to my Telegram group. I'm waiting for you on Telegram. Write to me right now. This is Max, good luck in trading and see you in the next videos.